All right, guys. So for now, what we did is we created this invoice, and in this invoices, we were defining all the fields for it. And apart from the field, we also related it with other objects. So this was other object invoice product with which we just create a relationship between invoice and invoice product. So this is all we did. Also, we learned how we can create and how we can modify this view. And to modify this view, we just have the edit layout button, and with that edit layout, we were able to edit the view how it is being shown over here. So this is all we have for now as part of the object creation and its view and layout changes. Okay, so before we'll move forward, I have one interesting topic which is record. So uh, let's say um, for skill advancement, like there are different teams working. So you understand skill advancement organization as an organization or a training institute. And for this training institute, suppose there are multiple teams working. So there is one team HR like you guys who is working. There is other team which is like trainer like I'm working. So HR work will be onboarding the new candidates. So when he will be onboarding the new candidates, there will be so he will be expecting a different form. So when he will filling up this contact form, that contact form he will expect it to be different than the contact form which I will be filling after you guys will be onboarded or something like that. Uh, let's say there is a system administrator who wanted to create a different contact based on if it is an employee or if it is a student. So if it is an employee, there will be different details which we will be filling for that employee, and if we are creating a contact for a student, it will be different altogether. So is there a way Salesforce provide, like we can create a different record type in here? Yes, it does. And that we can see. So whenever you will come onto any object here, like we came into contact, and whenever you will click on this new button here, right now we have only one record type, and that is a default one. That's why we are landing onto this contact creation page. But otherwise we will be having, when you click on this new button, if there will be different record type associated with organization, like uh, current the current profile which I am in is system administrator. So if there will, if with system administrator there are different layouts, suppose how to tell. Okay, so let's understand the scenario. Okay, so what we are learning is we wanted to know what is the record type in Salesforce, right? So let's say you are a system admin, okay, and as a system admin, okay, just want to create, yeah. So as a system admin, you can create. So an organization can have multiple users. Let's say this particular organization which we are in is skill advancement. So let's say you are onto skill advancement. Okay, so this is a academy. Okay, so this academy, in this academy you are an administrator who is handling the data and creating the data for this company. So let's say there are two kind of data which you have to create. So one is for trainer. Okay, so this is a trainer contact. Okay, and then let's say there is another contact which is students. Okay, so as a system admin, when you will come here, you will see as of now, when you are logged in here, uh, when you are coming on to contacts, when you'll click on this new button is leading you directly here, like on a new contact page. But as this organization, as a skill advancement academy, you can have different contacts based on different roles and based on what permission you have. So as a system administrator, let's say you have permission to create any contact. So that contact can be, let's say you can create student or employee, both of them. But in case if you have to create student, so that for the particular student there will be different, there could be different details. And in case of uh, trainer, there could be different details altogether. Like when you talk about trainer, we may be checking what is their I mean different fields based on their experience and let's say what their specialty is, in what the training they will be giving in. And for the students, like what's their core, in which standard they are, or uh, whether they belong to IT, whether they have this non-technical field. So those all we just manage through these forms. But that is the record type. So that is how we can just manage in here. So that is what the record type.